Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Wuuk camera. Firstly, download the Wuuk app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Open the Wuuk app and tap the plus button. Select Wuuk base station and plug in the base station and connect it to your router via internet. Wait for the green light to appear, then press and hold the base station for plus 3 seconds until the light flashes red. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your base station. You'll hear pairing successful. Just name your base station and confirm. Now, in the Wuuk app, tap plus, then Wuuk Wireless Cam Pro. Choose the base station to connect the camera to and place the camera within 2 meters of the base station. Press and hold the button on the bottom of the camera for 3 seconds. You should hear "Hello, Wuuk." Continue holding until the red light flashes. The camera is now in pairing mode. Once you hear pairing successful and see the success message in the app, tap Continue. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.